In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept StubHub tickets. If you have bought any StubHub tickets and you want to accept them, first of all, log into your StubHub account. Once you are here, click on My Tickets on the upper right side of your screen. Here, you may be able to find the tickets which you have bought. In most cases, the tickets are simply sent to your email. Open the inbox of your StubHub account email. If you see an email from StubHub, click on it and click on the link inside it to accept your ticket. If you cannot find the email in your inbox, click on the More option on the left side of your screen, then click on Spam. Sometimes StubHub emails are sent to the spam folder. If you still cannot see the email, head over to your StubHub account and click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. After that, scroll down and click on Settings from the left side of your screen. In the Settings section, go to Personal Details. You will be able to see your email address here. Make sure that you are opening the inbox of this email address. Once you confirm that it's the correct email, you should be able to see the ticket email in your inbox and accept your ticket from there.